Well, I said in one of my previous videos that I'd show you guys this dirt collection 3D print thing I'm doing with my kids, filling up these little vials. And I'm doing mine exclusively by motorcycle, so if I didn't travel to a state on a motorcycle, I don't get to count it. So I'm at a local wildlife management area. It's a pretty quiet one. It's out of the way. It's difficult to get up here to this parking lot, so this is where I came to get my sample. And yeah, things look kind of dead right now because it's, you know, May 1st. So the trees are just starting to get leaves on them in some parts. You can see right there, there's a green tree. But yeah. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of my GPS, take a picture of the area where I got the sample, and then just keep repeating until I got them all. So there it is. Not that you can see it. You'll be able to see it when it dries out. There's a little piece of amber in there that I saw down here. Then a little bit of sand, a little bit of dirt, and then when I get home I'll take the lid off and I'll let that completely 100% dry out before I seal it permanently. I'll probably just put a little bit of silicone around the threads of this and then tighten it down. That way it can't be opened and spilled or lost or whatever. But yeah, just a very, very peaceful place to be. It's a couple ducks up there. Couple birds of some sort over there singing. I should probably get better at figuring out what those are because I don't know very many of them. Lots of frogs too. Couple geese on the far side of the lake too. And I don't know if I'm going to do this for every single little sample I pick up, but I don't know. This is less than a half an hour from where I live, and it's, oh, they're little minnows. I'm about 99% sure that my phone won't pick that up. There's some little minnows swimming through there. They're probably bass. Yeah, getting a boat up here with my Ford Taurus, insanely unlikely. But I might have to come down here with the pole and just cast around a little bit when it gets a little warmer. So I can probably walk out 50, 60 feet and it'll only be up to my waist. Okay, leave it better than I found it. Shotgun wad. Testing how waterproof my boots are. Shotgun wad. Another one. Boots are still waterproof, but I just stepped in a hole. That was close, because there's the top of my boots. Yeah. Pretty good boots. Oh. So I'll just throw that in my luggage somewhere and throw it away where it's supposed to go. And a shell. Why not? No brass on it, but whatever. Plastic, that's the bad part. Oh, there's some metal to take with me. I can pick it up and quit dropping it. Jeez. But yeah, there's a road that winds in here all the way back down here. It goes way over that way back in there deeper. It's a pretty popular hunting spot, but this is the wrong time of year for that, so